and welcome to this new tutorial. In this video we're going to be looking at how to track the user IP address using JavaScript and Google Tag Manager. Okay, so all the links provided in this video will be available in the description box area. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get right to it. If we go to this link, you should be able to see this right here. So this function, function, what it basically does, it sends a request to this IP, this API. It returns a response, and then once there is a response, it saves everything and then push it into a data layer event. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this. Go to Google Tag Manager, click on New, and then custom HTML. Basic code right here, and then for triggering, you can set it to fire on all pages or some pages. That's completely up to you. I'm just gonna go ahead and close this for now because this is something that I've already done. It's just right here, and this code looks exactly like the one right here. So let's go ahead and click on preview. Just waiting for everything to load, and then once everything loads, we should see that we have an IP address event. If we click down here, you should see that this is the event and this is the IP address. Okay, so what if we want to take this a step further? What can we do to make it better? So this API that I'm using, it gives you access to unlimited requests, so you can make as many requests as you want, and this is completely for free. Okay, so what if you only want to call this API once? How would you do that? So this is what this second function is for. You just copy it. Okay, and let's go ahead and do this again the same. So it's new custom HTML, set it to all pages, and let's just go ahead and take a look at the code itself. So this is the code. What this code basically does, it stores the data in session storage. And the reason why I went with session storage instead of local storage, in local storage, when you save something, it's permanently there unless you remove it yourself. Session storage, when you close the window or you close the browser, when you open up the window one more time, so the code loads one more time. So it looks if the IP address is there. Okay, so I set an item that is named the IP address, and the content of it is this IP address right here. It looks if it already exists. If it doesn't, it just go ahead and load it and then just store it on the session storage. Okay, session storage in that case makes a lot of sense. Let's just go ahead and close this down, and let's go to run the code and preview it. Okay, let's preview it one more time. Go to page right here. We'll have an IP address event, and then let's click on inspect. If we go to application, this is the IP address. So as you can see, it's stored in the session storage. So what's next? So what's next for what can we do to make use of this info, the IP address? Well, first off, you can just go ahead and send it maybe with the Facebook Pixel. So Facebook Pixel, it collects this automatically, so you probably don't need to do that. But what if, for example, you want to make use of this info? So there are a lot of third-party API databases, something like that. So you send them the IP, and then they send you some info back about this IP. Okay, for example, the country or the city of this IP address. All right, I have set one up myself. It's this one right here. And if we go to again to application and then to session storage, you can see what this has returned as a response. So it gave me the city, the country, Morocco, where I'm at right now. And if I've created some custom variables, select this one. So as you can see, IP info about this is Morocco, the 2 digits code. Okay, so this can be useful if, for example, there will be a form submission. You can attach these to Facebook events just to upgrade your event match quality, for example. Let's see it here live in action. So let's go and select, for example, an appointment. So when I have this form fully submitted, I'm gonna go ahead and send a lead event with some extra info back to Facebook. Complete appointment. And then if we go back here, you should see that a lead event has fired successfully. And then I have the city and the country. So all these are being hashed using the SHA-256-bit algorithm. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can use it with Facebook. You can even use it with Google Enhanced Conversions, maybe with your own proprietary software. And yeah, there are just a lot of use cases for this. That's pretty much it for this video. You let me know if you have any questions. I'll be leaving my Calendly link for any consultation or any help. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye.